everybody, welcome back to RC with Adam. My name is Adam, and in this video, I just want to remind everybody that you can still have a heck of a lot of fun with some trash gear. That's right, like this little quadcopter that I put together using spare parts from a trash quadcopter. And you guessed it, that's hot glue that I'm putting those motors on with. Yep, hot glue. No screws on this bad boy. And yeah, is it gonna fall apart pretty soon after I crash a little bit? You betcha. But you know what? I also don't have to deal with trying to find just the right screws and changing the frame to fit the mounting screws. This frame, by the way, is designed by Dave C. You can get it off the Thingiverse. So I printed that one. All these parts are actually from a Eachine Cinecan. Remember the Cinecan? Yeah, it was like the hottest thing like a couple years ago. And now it's trash. Yeah, these motors aren't super great. And I just slapped a little all-in-one camera, a little VTX camera combo on there. Just hot glued that baby in place. Are we getting a bunch of noise in our video signal? Heck yeah, we are. But I don't care. You just gotta cut the throttle when you want to see clearly. No big deal. And the video's trash, the rates are trash. And yet, I'm still having a lot of fun. I'm having a lot of fun flying around, ripping around the backyard, especially with this tiny little quadcopter. It just weighs a few feathers worth. It's a good time. So I want to encourage you, even if you have some trash quadcopter parts, you can still have a darn good time. So don't let somebody tell you that you have to have the latest and greatest newfangled thing. You just fly what you got, and you have a darn good time. Alright? Alright. Thanks for watching, everybody. And I'll see you again very soon. Go fly something trashy and have fun. And look at that fluffy puppy. That's right, fluffy puppy. That's right. Drone.
Let's try this baby out.